Good morning. Wakey, wakey, everybody. Welcome back to another live stream. Hope everyone's having a good day today. Yeah. So, we're back like we never left. So, y'all, we have a good amount of stuff to talk about. As you can see by the title, we now have Hurricane Erin, and it is forecasted to rapidly intensify within the next 48 hours from a Cat 1 all the way to like a Cat 3, Cat 4. So this is going to be very, very interesting to talk to y'all about because, well, Category 1 to Category 4 in 48 hours is pretty crazy. We've seen we've seen faster rapid intensification storms, but this is still crazy. And I'm pretty sure the NHC now has it peaked at 145 mile per hour winds. We'll take a look at that in a minute. But yeah, let's see who we got here. We got Brian, we got Brandon, we got Ben, we got Forrest. Welcome, y'all. Glad to see y'all in here. Appreciate y'all for tuning in as always. And yeah. Shall we get into this live stream? And we might be able to see some of the recon that goes into the storm because I know they are on their way to the storm right now. So we'll see. But yeah. We'll see. All right. So here is a look at Erin right now. Oh yeah. I do remember. I do remember you. All right, let's see. We got that. Put it right here for right now. All right, so let me pause this at the end of the loop. What did we just get? So Reconnaissance from watch for Iowa. If I'm not mistaken, that's let's see. Yeah, we got a Reconnaissance from watch for Iowa because we do have a slight risk today. So if you're in that slight risk or any threat for severe weather today, make sure you be weather aware. And yeah, just be weather aware just in case, anything happens. You never know. 'Cause all stuff can change in minutes, even seconds. It can. Yeah, let's go to the end of this run. So y'all, as y'all can see, this is a pretty decent sign of Erin starting to intensify slash rapidly intensify. If you see it, the grays and the pinks, even the blacks, those are very cold cloud tops, which values are getting up to negative 85 to negative 90 degrees Celsius. If I'm not mistaken. Is this Celsius? Might be Celsius. Forgot what they use on a. Dude, no, it can't be. I forgot. Someone's got to tell me if it's Celsius or Fahrenheit. It might be Fahrenheit. I think it's Fahrenheit. I don't think because negative 90 is pretty cold for Celsius. But yeah. Is it Celsius? Okay, that's what I thought, but I did have my doubts. That's just one thing I always got confused about. So yeah, very cold cloud tops, y'all. That like very cold. Like negative 90. I think that's like negative. I don't know. Up to
Good morning. Hi, chat.
and we are also joined by the man, the myth, the legend, TRG. Welcome, TRG.
Thank you. I
Uh,
got me food. He decided to stream at 5 o'clock, and that's right when I eat. So
yeah, yeah. That's my bad, chat. You're just gonna be eating for a little bit. Usually, you can eat. You don't have to talk. I did have a little brain fart moment. The cloud tops. I
of course.
thought, what,
What'd
what
you say?
it was -80. I was like, it's either Celsius or Fahrenheit. I forgot which one it was, and it's Celsius, correct?
Yeah.
Okay. It kind of confuses me, but not really. Cause I mean, still
Well, no, I could see how it confuses you because
that's pretty
negative
cold.
90 Celsius. Yeah, dude.
That's negative
Look at.
130. That's what
I
Ben
was gonna
said.
say, look at what that is in Fahrenheit. You'll be surprised.
Which I mean, technically, technically it's not that much of a difference, but it kind of is. 40
Yeah,
degrees.
yeah.
I think I'd rather be in negative 90 degrees
I
Fahrenheit
would rather
weather,
just move.
right? I think
Just get me out of there.
I
Where the
think
heck is it that type of temperature?
Antarctica. Actually, hold up.
Oh my goodness, they changed west of Bermuda to Cat 4 now. They had that at 120 Cat 3, so they upped that by 30 miles per hour. Or no, 10. What math am I thinking? It was 120 Cat 3, and now it's Cat 4 130. So they upped it by 10.
Oh wow.
But the new peak is 145, which I
Yeah,
think
I
that's
did just say that.
Tuesday. When's the 18th?
The
Is
18th
it
is gonna be on Monday.
Monday?
Yep.
Yep.
Yep. From 75 mile per hour to 145 in, well, 3 days, right?
Yep.
And it's category 1 to category 4 in 2 days, or is it
Um,
also 3?
let's see. I say 2 days, Cat 1 to Cat 3.
Okay,
About 30 hours, it's going to be Cat 4.
30 hours.
Yeah.
30 hours.
Oh, no, my bad.
I'm about to say that's
um,
like
no. Yeah.
30 hours. That's tomorrow night.
Hold on. 8 p.m. Okay, Cat 3 in 30 hours.
Okay, cat 4.
Cat 4 in about 40 hours.
Okay, that makes sense.
There you go.
That's why I kept saying 30
I always
because
have trouble reading the dates on this because it never says the day, and I like to go by like the days in my videos and stuff.
yeah.
I don't say the dates too often. So I confuse the days. Like I was thinking today was Saturday.
Yeah. What? That's tomorrow.
Bro, I heard that.
No, you didn't.
I
No, you didn't. It's
I'm
going
gonna,
to
I'm
be
gonna
a
eat
hurt.
some before it gets too cold.
You know, just eat. Just finish eating, and then you can help. But yeah. So like I said, what circled, kind of circled, but not really a circle. That's an indication that this is a intensifying, or rapidly intensifying with those very very cold cloud tops. That's what we like to That's what we like to like see to what's the word I'm looking for? To like
Means it's intensifying.
yes, means that it's
Depending
intensifying.
on how it looks, because sometimes you can have the outer bands that are really, really cool, but the core is still weakening.
Yeah, so like the outer bands, you
In
can
this
see.
case, the core is where the coldest cloud tops are.
Yeah, and maybe a part of the little outer bands or the west side of it, a little bit. There's like a little area, but it's nothing crazy. I mean, this whole area right here, though, that's that's crazy. The icon is on steroids. Well, we're about to take a look at that. So, all right, let's go look at that real quick. Let's go look at all these model runs and ensembles and all these spaghetti noodles. See what they say.
I will say one thing. This is considerably more north than the NHC track.
More north.
Yes.
That would just probably make him go out to sea even more.
At least from what I can tell, it's a good 30 miles north of the newest NHC update.
Huh? 30 miles is a lot. With a hurricane, yeah. Me and TRG and y'all, by the way, me and TRG are still just keeping an eye on this thing just in case if somehow it makes its way towards North Carolina or South Carolina. We're still looking for it, see what it does. But as of right now, do not think it's gonna make its way to North Carolina because it looks like it's gonna go more out to sea. Let me show y'all the cone real quick. So there's the cone for it, y'all. V- Definitely different from past couple of days. But yeah. Well he said get the new cone. Yeah, it is 5 p.m. Oh, there it is. There it is.
Wait,
I had to
maybe I don't
refresh.
have the new cone then.
No, I had to refresh. I had to refresh.
No, this is definitely the new cone.
Does it have 3 tropical storm watches?
Um,
Looks like 3.
I'm on Radar Omega, dude.
Oh, okay. I thought you were looking at the NHC. But yeah, so this is a cone for y'all. Bermuda still, I would still be on the lookout. You're not in the cone, but you're definitely probably gonna get hit with these like outer bands and stuff, which could have tropical storm force winds with them. And yeah. But TG, okay, you can correct me if I'm wrong. Y'all can't too chat. But the bigger this system gets, doesn't it have to like the stronger the high pressure has to be to like turn it out to sea because it's such a big system? Or does it really just not matter?
It's got to be like there's a balance between it. So if it's weak, like category 1, maybe category 2, it can sneak under the high, or even if it's a tropical storm. If it's a category 3, category 4, the high pressure might still be able to steer it easily. If it gets to cat 5, it could fight that high pressure a bit more.
So if we have a Cat 5, that's probably a little like a whoa for North Carolina, South Carolina. If it somehow gets to Cat 5, I don't know. Before it
I mean,
makes
it
that
depends on exactly where. I mean, if it gets to cat 5, like say
Monday.
parallel to southern
Monday.
Florida, yeah, on Monday, that's when it's taking its northern turn anyways, so the high
Yeah.
pressure is not gonna be hitting it too much. And then once it gets parallel to NC, the trough up in Canada grabs it.
Is that why it keeps turning out to sea?
That's why it will keep turning, yes.
Okay.
So there it's near impossible for an NC landfall. Now the outer bands to hit NC, the outer banks, it's not impossible for outer bands to bring tropical storm force winds.
Oh no, no. Yeah, no.
But we're gonna have to see it shift more west.
A lot or a little bit? Like good like 50 miles, 50, 75? Or are
I
we
mean,
talking about like a couple
that's
hundred?
about 430 miles away from the Outer Banks
Oh
with that
really?
pinpoint. Yep.
Oh wow, okay.
So it's gonna have to shift it a minimum 150, 200.
Yeah. And sometimes you don't really see that sometimes. It really all depends on the high pressures. And if I go here, y'all, let's go to GFS. We're just gonna go to the GFS. We're gonna go regions. We're gonna go to North Atlantic. So this, I'm guessing, this is the high pressure that's. I'm gonna just do a circle, a circle, and an H. Actually, no, y'all can see it. It's gonna shift.
Go
But
down a bit with your browser. That's annoying. Thank
all
you.
right, but y'all can see the blue H where it says 1020. Yeah, that
Down
is.
again.
Y'all can see the blue H and then 1020, and then high pressure is. See that this high pressure right here. This is what's gonna steer it because it's gonna like. Actually, no. Let's do this.
That no, way bigger. Way bigger with that high pressure. That thing ain't weak. We talking from parallel of the Lesser Antilles to parallel of France. Yeah. Okay, well, you went into the low way up there. But I mean, that thing's huge.
That.
Oh my goodness. Okay, buddy.
No, I'm playing. But y'all can see that's when it starts making its turn, and it looks like it goes straight for a little
Right
bit.
there. Thursday, you saw that? That H appears up.
But
That's a big wild card right there.
this.
You're on Wednesday. Hold on. I'm waiting to see if it keeps. No. There you go. That H right there, south of the hurricane.
Uh-huh.
There could be a secondary high that develops. And if that develops further west, that can force it closer to NC.
And this one develops further west.
Yeah. Some models do have that happening. One is the Icon, which has like a 160 Cat 5. Maybe
Yeah.
even higher than that.
And you said the trough from
Canada.
hold on, wait. I got sneeze. Hold on. All right. If I can find, we're just gonna do. I'm not mistaken. This. Are you talking about this right here? Right.
Dude actually went to the best product. I'm shocked.
That.
Yep.
And then you have a high pressure. I'm guessing
Wait.
right here.
That looks completely different than when I checked yesterday. Let me look. I'll look for myself.
But this is Wednesday. This is Thursday. It latches on to the trough.
Yeah.
Like it latches
Yep.
on to the trough. That's what brings
That
it.
trough moved so far east, though. Like when I last looked, that thing was over Canada. Now it's south of Greenland, I believe that is.
Maybe.
I think that's Greenland. Pretty sure.
What are we talking about right here?
Yeah.
I think that is. Well, we can check real quick. Yep. Greenland. All right.
W education.
Yep. But yeah, so yeah, we're gonna have to keep. Whoa. Fantasyland golf thing. Wow. So obviously, y'all, we're gonna real quick. We're just got to keep it on like this, the MDR region, because
I'll speak on that. Some models have that going out to sea, and others hit it into Texas. So the uncertainty on that is like 2,000 miles. The uncertainty on that is like 2,000 miles at this point because it is so far out. And the strength of it is completely unknown.
Last time we checked, it was Texas. This is Mississippi.
Yep. And then I bet the next one it's going to be freaking South Carolina.
Let's see.
And then the next one it's not even going to be on there.
The model before is
it's so unrelated, but Joey Logano just hit the wall in practice.
Yes! Yes! You now summon Pete. Just wait. Give it 30 seconds. You now summon Pete.
No way.
Watch. Just wait. Dude, someone's got to clip it if he actually shows up within the next minute. Within the next minute, if he shows up, someone's got to clip it. All right, let's do this. All right. Let's go to, we'll do this. We're going to do that. All right, here we go. All right, so right now, all right, so wait, so what's 5? All right, so right now the H-Worth is saying that this thing's probably a 990, which it's pretty close. Is it not? Is it 993?
Pretty sure. Yeah, 993.
993. Yep. I was just seeing if there's anything off the coast of Africa. Oh. All right, y'all. So let's see. So 987, 980, and it gets really really organized. And whoa. Wait. Whoa. What is 128 knots?
128 knots. Let's see.
Or do 130 because natural.
I'd
It's very
say
close to
that's,
one,
yeah, 150.
so close to Cat 5. So that's what the H-Dwarf has.
Yep, high in Cat 4, borderline Cat 5.
And
That's
you
pretty much all of our models.
then with you can see y'all, like, I don't know if y'all can tell, but sometimes I can tell. Like whenever this thing gets turned out to sea, I can tell because what was that? So we're on watch for Iowa and Wisconsin for till 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. All right, but it looks like it's like a lot bigger, and then you can see like the eye gets lopsided as you go further into the run, especially near the end of it. You can see it gets very lopsided. The and I mean we're zoomed in. I guarantee if I zoom out, it'll be turning out to sea. But
By the way, you can.
I know, yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Isn't
Some
that
people don't know that the parent model does that.
yeah, isn't that this? Yeah. And you can see it starts turning out to sea, and you can see the green start becoming a lot bigger, and you can even see the eye getting lopsided right here, right where the low is. You can see that. All right, now let's do the HMON. This should be interesting. Let's see. Right now it has it being a also 990. Let's see what this has. All right, let's see. Let's see. Okay. Dang, that's a big Winfield. You see that? That's a big Winfield. But I think it's a 928. I think it said 927. 927 at 128 knots exactly. And another 132. One was 132 knots. Are you here? Ah, okay. Hold on. 132 knots to MPH is 151 or 152. So this, and NHC would do 150. I'm pretty sure. If it got to 153, that would be probably 155. They would say. All right. So there's that.
I'm
Now
back.
what
What
is
did I
that?
miss?
I'll try to ask you what was so we also morning for Alabama. Um Flood warning for Minnesota. I try that. I
Okay,
try that.
what are you gonna ask me?
I was trying to ask you because the H1 has 132 knots. I was gonna ask you.
Well, that's Cat 5.
Oh no, it's not.
132.
Apparently it's 151.
Oh, it's 152. So yeah, barely
151.9. So
shy. But see, it's dependent on what that's based off of, because is that not 10-meter wind speeds?
yeah,
Hmm.
so it'd be like
So
135 at surface or something.
nah, I think it'd be 150. They'd probably go down a little. They'd probably round it down. It would have to be like 140 knots for them to put Cat 5.
All right, well we're about to find out with these other models.
Yeah, because 140 knots is 160.
The
One.
HAFSA. Let's see what this one. This one already has it being a 981 right now. So I'm
Point
scared.
is, it's high in Cat 4, low in Cat 5. Like I said in my stream yesterday, you're not going to feel the difference between 155 and 160.
Right? Because you're probably gonna get gusts already of 160. So really no like
I'm pretty
difference.
sure, like, hold on, I'm going to check.
Whatever
Yeah,
you're about
like
to
the
do,
wind
check.
gust, if it's a Cat 5 wind gust, could be like 190 or 200.
Yeah.
So, like I said, probably not going to know the difference between 5 miles per hour there.
Probably not. All right. Let's see what this one says. Okay. Let's do. Okay. not as strong. Not whoa, not as strong as I expected. I thought it was since it was already at 980. I thought it was gonna get to like not 915 something like that. This one has 130 knots, so not better than what you've already seen.
I didn't see the new icon. 905.
Um,
No, 904.
where is the icon at? I cannot find it.
Somebody needs to discontinue the icon model for tropical reasons there. It has a 910 millibar hurricane parallel of NC.
Yo,
Like, see,
bro,
that's when tropical storm force winds could be possible in the Outer Banks. Look at that fat wind field.
that is a fat wind
That
field.
is a huge wind field.
Well, there's no like there's no closer version, so I can't see
No, it's
exactly.
not. Yep. Can't see the exact wind speed. I already tried. I think it's safe to say that's Cat 5 though.
Oh yeah,
904.
that's crazy. What's the craziest millibar you've seen like ever? On
870.
a modern one or that
Damn
actually
3K.
oh
Observed 897 Milton last year.
wee. That's crazy. That is actually crazy, honestly.
And that was observed by Recon.
Wow.
I think 180 mile an hour winds too.
Probably. Yeah. Now let's see. HAFSB. All right, so it already has it being 984 right now. I'm feeling this one's gonna be a little crazy. I have a feeling. Not as crazy. Not as crazy as I expected. I thought one that was gonna say like
Something happens with those wind speeds. I'm not trusting that. Was that 940 Cat 2? 940 millibar Cat 2? I swear I just saw it.
that.
No, again. Oh, wait. It was a frame back from what you're at least on my end. Okay, 88 knots.
That's like 100. So
That's literally Cat 2 as a 942 or 943 millibar.
that's crazy. That is
I
just
think that's
unbelievable.
bugged. That's bugged, bro.
I think it's bugged just a little bit too. Just a little bit. Nothing too crazy, right?
Right.
Nothing crazy at all. All right, let's see.
Recon's on the southeast side. They've already got observed winds of about 45 miles per hour, and
Dang.
they're not even close to the intense convection.
Oh, that's crazy.
They're still in the orange.
Wilma had an 882 in 2005. Dang.
I was probably like 2 months old.
I wasn't even born yet.
Yeah, I don't think we're gonna remember that.
You know, that is crazy. That is absolutely absurd. All right, give me like 10 seconds. I gotta look at something real quick. Hold on. And do this. Do that. And then this. All right, we're good. But yeah. Also, y'all, if you guys haven't already, you know, make sure you like the stream. Subscribe if you're not already. It's free. But I mean, you don't have to. I'll settle for a like. And also, you know, share the stream with your friends and family. Let's help, you know, get the word out to people. Let's let them know what weather's coming their way. And yeah, it really helps the channel. Gets us pushed out there. Y'all just being here helps a lot. And I appreciate y'all for doing that. Yeah. Let's do what else we got? What else we got? So the GFS has. GFS doesn't even get above 110 knots.
Not surprised it's the GFS.
Right? I feel like they're always more like, I guess, lenient on the speeds of like hurricanes and stuff when they on the model runs. Sometimes.
Once you get Recon in and you've got a very good closed low, always hurricane models over global models. Easy. They're called hurricane models for a reason.
Yeah.
Now, if it's not, I don't know about it before Recon. I feel like when Recon gets in it, that's when you should really, really like strictly go for hurricane models. If it's like an invest and it's a low pressure and the hurricane models start running, I still feel like they're a little bit inaccurate. But once we get that Recon in, that's when it's like, okay, we know hurricane models. That's your main ones. That's the main things you should be forecasting with.
All right. Where is it right here? It is right here. Okay, never mind. Can you use recon on a red omega? Cause I know you can. I'm on it right now. It's just all right. There you go. The south. Okay, yeah, I see which one. And yeah, so they've already found winds of yeah 38 knots.
39 knots.
Where's 39 at?
And that translates to 45 miles per hour. But you always want to take some off because that's flight level winds, not actually closer to the surface.
What do you like to take off? 5?
Yeah. In this case, I'd round it to 40.
Let me turn on satellite for it.
But yeah, here's this. This is refresh this. Also look above that too. Sent it in DMs. And then at the top of that site, it always says peak level flight winds and when it was recorded, as well as the pressure.
All right. You said do that. Ah. Can you click? Wait. Can I see the wind speeds? Or can I just see the millibars?
Millibars only.
Okay.
The millibars are the wind speeds.
No. Okay. Makes sense.
Wait, did I say the millibars are the wind speeds?
I think. Wait. I think you did.
Yeah. I
Go
mean
ahead.
the isobarbs, which that's what you use to see the wind speeds.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
That makes
you
sense.
know, you read the little lines,
Yeah.
and you can use that from the right hand side too. It says light green is about 40 knots of flight level winds, and we're at barely not at 40 knots. Barely not.
Yeah.
What are the chances of it being Cat 2 right now?
Pretty
Not yet.
low.
No.
Pretty
Yeah.
low. Whether the chances that it's strengthening, high chance. Uh, I'm not gonna be like, oh, I
They
think it's
just
gonna be
got 44
this.
knots. 44 knots.
Refresh, I guess.
Next, 49 knots. And already a 999 millibar. So
What?
they're like in the eyeball now.
I think it's probably already at like a. Well, I mean, the advisor just came out
I think
like
it's where it is.
probably 993. You think so?
I think millibar might be a little lower, but I think the wind speed
Oh
75
yeah.
mph. I
Oh
think
yeah,
that's
yeah.
good.
That's definitely good. I
It's got
think.
to finish this. If you look at it, honestly, it looks like it's doing an eyewall replacement cycle to me from satellite. That's what it looks like to me. Just
Yeah.
because of how the satellites, it's hard to explain it without showing it.
Yeah.
Okay, you know what? I can show you it very well. Go to Tropical Tidbits
Okay.
and
Like
loop. It's about a 15 frame loop on
where?
infrared satellite for where do you think?
Aaron? You said 15 frame?
Yeah.
So
And
maybe
you'll see on the east side of the low pressure hot towers spiral around the whole thing.
yeah,
So I I feel like that could be it trying to do an eyewall replacement cycle.
probably. I mean,
If
I w
not, then at least it's trying to get stronger by doing that.
oh, yeah, for sure, for sure.
Post Verge spawn.
Seems about right.
Yeah, yeah. Uh,
But, yeah. Um, yeah, y'all can definitely see that, especially this part right here, if I do it again, this part right here. This is where probably your eye would be, and it's just gonna eh, eh,
Surprised you drew the arrows correctly.
right? But you think I was gonna do this? Hold up.
Yeah, I thought you were gonna do the other way. Hey, you'd be surprised how long it took me to learn which way a low pressure spins.
Oh, no. Oh, no,
I
I
still get
understand.
confused.
That see, but, like, that just doesn't look right.
No, it
That's just
doesn't.
like, if I lose this, this just does not look right. Hold on.
The way how I remember it now, it's a bit weird, but I remember it as if a low pressure's in Kansas, how does it get instability? It's going to pull it up from the Gulf. So it goes that way. That's
Yeah.
how I remember it. I know that's a very complicated way to remember
Wait.
it, but that's how I remember it.
Yeah. Carson,
Like,
what's up?
like he's like, what is that right? Hey, Carson, he just spun.
Oh, Carson, you just spun a NASCAR. Why are you here?
Yeah, okay. It was just a full spin. He didn't hit the wall.
You
He
see
just
that
got loose.
dry spot? Depends on where. If you're talking about like maybe right here where there's green and stuff,
Yeah, south
that's
of the. Yep, that's
right
what I
there.
was looking at too.
Actually, let's see real quick. Let's see if we can.
It's not gonna hurt the system.
It's not going to. It's not going to. But
It's not gonna. I don't think it's gonna have any issues from here on out. The dry air. If you take a look at Radar Mega Lucky, you go to the mid-level water vapor. You could see how the outer bands have just pushed all the dry air away. Actually, you could see it right there. All the dry air is now towards Dominican Republic and north of Puerto Rico.
yeah,
Whereas like yesterday, it was literally north of the Lesser Antilles. So it's pushed all the dry air out.
yeah. Let's see. So that's that. Let's go back to it. Let's go back here. All right. Okay, not that. What was I gonna look at? I was gonna look at something. Probably models. Oh, that's what we're gonna do right now. All right, y'all. Let's take a look at the ensembles. Let's see. No, wrong one. Hold up. Give me a second. Wait.
What you trying to find, bud?
The stupid spaghetti noodles. I forgot. Hold on. Numerical models.
The ones from Tropical Tidbits? Or are
No.
you talking about just specific
Westerners.
ensembles?
Specific ensembles.
It's the one right of Canadian and also one left of the Euro. So the
Thank you.
ECENS and then the GEFS.
I'm still a little rusty on this site, so bear with me, guys. But
No, I refuse to bear with you.
you refuse to bear with me. Rude.
You're rude.
No, I'm not. All right, let's see. Let's see. Take a look at it. So this is where it is, y'all. Well, this is where the model run has it at. Now let's just see what it does. And it's gonna take that sharp right turn. You have two of them going really far west. You have none of them hit North Carolina, but we have one that gets really close. Like we're talking about like Outer Banks type close. But compared to last time, I think it always looks the same as last time, but I cannot really tell. I'd have to go back into the other stream and see.
Or just go back like a normal person with the model cycle. There you go, Lucky. And now you see a tiny west shift.
Yeah. A tiny, tiny bit. Is definitely noticeable for sure.
If it stays like that, it should be a perfect between NC and Bermuda. But if it goes more west, then
More of
oopsie.
NC.
Hopefully it doesn't go any more east either, because then it's going to be very close to Bermuda.
Oh,
We want it
here's
to stay just like that. That would be perfect.
one of them has a very close. Like I'm talking about like. Oh, it
Lucky's
hit.
got to zoom in to see if it's a
Oh,
landfall.
it is a landfall.
Yep, Cat 2 landfall.
As a 983, 984. You have another 950 pretty close to it. That's pretty
915.
950.
Yo. No,
Oh.
look to the right
Ah!
of that.
950. Ah! Jump scare.
915.
Oh, and how do I okay.
This dude.
Oh, I messed up. Oh wait, no I don't. Click. Fixed it. So what's this coming off the coast of North Carolina?
A low pressure.
Oh, well, it just collided with Erin.
That's something that might help it go more east.
East
That's being
or
pretty
east or
hopeful,
west?
but we're hoping east. And did
Okay,
I
east.
stutter?
No, I mean I'm just well. Last time earlier you said 30 hours and you didn't stutter. And I said 30. You said yes. 30. Yes. Wait, no.
Okay, that's because I thought today was Saturday, so shut up.
Yeah.
Wait, no, don't. This is your stream. You got to keep talking.
Right. But yes. I mean it's. I mean. I don't see a way where this thing goes like this. There's just no way. The max I see it doing is
That's a
oh
very. I don't even agree with that.
that that
I
that,
think
that,
that's like almost unrealistic, West.
that
Yeah, I think I think that's possible. Okay, why are we going north? What? You just screwed it up at the end right there on my. You got to turn it. Okay.
my bad. Hold on. 4 times the charm.
Do we live north of that black line? Is that why it just went straight 90 degrees to the right? Because that's our luck.
That would be our luck.
Me and
Let's be
Lucky's
real.
house are just barely north of that black line, just sharp 90-degree right.
Right.
Just
Nah.
a weak high pressure over me and Lucky's house that turns it.
Now look. This is me and TRG right here. You ready? And TRG right here where this circle is. You ready? All right. Let's go. This one.
This,
Oh,
this
whoops.
dude's
Wrong
playing
one.
with crayons again.
All right. This one. This is really what it would do.
Just no.
And then it's gonna come back. Okay.
9 chat
What?
983.
Huh.
75 knots. Chat, that is a 85 mile per hour Cat 1 at a 983 millibar. That is 10 millibars lower.
Wow,
That is
hold on.
10 full millibars lower.
Nah, that is crazy. That is actually crazy. Hold on.
Wow.
Is that like probably the no that wasn't even that was the eyeball for sure, right? That wasn't even the eye because there was otherwise
No, that was it. Yeah, they got a direct hit.
I thought the eye. Well, I mean it's not a full on eye, but so it's not gonna be super calm in the middle.
The blue, it is.
That was it. Wait, hold on.
Yeah, you little stupid here, bud.
Oh
Yeah,
wow,
that orange is mid tier cat 1. So
dude.
there you go.
Rapid intensification starting now.
It's
'Cause
been started, yeah.
well, I mean yeah, it's been a start, but like in 45 minutes we went from 75 to 85. Still,
Wow.
that's still pretty crazy. That is actually
They if
absurd.
that would probably be rounded down to 80, I would say.
Probably yeah.
But that millibar 10 drop, okay, that's crazy.
That
That just shows you how crazy it is. Like that's definitely rapid intensification right there. It is a very, very much deepening low. Look at the drop on tropical tidbits. Tropical tidbits recon number 7. It's very clearly you can see when they hit the eye wall and then they drop down into the eye and then they exited through the other eye wall. Always love that chart because it shows it so perfectly.
you said 7.
Recon 7. Yep.
What do you mean nothing?
Pretty sure. Is it not 7?
I think it's 6.
Oh, it is 6. I was close. 7 is
983.5.
the 7 is the upper air recon. Not that graph, the other graph.
Which one?
I mean, that one's still useful, but it's not the one I
This
really
one?
love. No, that's satellite. The other one. He'll find it eventually. He just went right over. He's in the freaking invest. Bro went to the goal for a second.
This one?
There he goes. Yep. You can see when they hit the eye wall and then the eye and then the northwest eye wall.
This just looks confusing.
Just look at the one at the top left. That's it. The blue is the wind speeds and the red is the millibar.
Okay.
You can see the red is normal and then it divots down at the eye and then it slowly goes back up. And the wind speeds, you could see they're normal, slowly climb and then completely die out in the eye and then rapidly go back up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That is crazy. Let's, how many times do you think they're gonna go into this thing?
They'll be in it for the next 3-4 hours.
Nice.
Yeah, I'd say they're probably going to be in until about 01Z.
Apparently they Carson said they found 75 knots earlier in the northeastern part.
Oh, interesting. I'll go see.
Yeah, I'm about to say go check that. We're gonna find it 5. Yeah, I mean did they not? Is purple not 60? Yeah, that's
No. Nope.
no. They
Purple
did.
is starts at 65 knots. That doesn't mean it was 75, bud. Nope. Nope. That's barely 60 knots on that one on mission 4. Mission 5, you said?
Maybe 5. I'm guessing.
Mission 5 is a upper air recon.
Uh,
So, nope. Wrong.
interesting.
Wrong, Carson. Wrong. Stick to your little trolling of asking Lucky to show you his setup.
That's crazy. All right.
Carson, how early is early? What mission, dude? If early means yesterday, then I can't tell. But I doubt it hit 75. We're on mission 6, right? So mission 5 would be the only reasonable one to hit 75. But that's upper air. So you have to go to mission 4. And that's 60 knots. Yeah.
No, wait, hold on. Wait, where is this at? I forgot to wait.
I'll look at a different site.
I forgot to type the message. Pin message. Pin message. All right.
60 knots on mission 4. So mission 6 is what we're looking at right now with a new recon. Mission 5 is upper air. Mission 7 is upper air. So mission 4 is the earliest one. And then way earlier would be mission probably 2. And that I don't think happened. I don't think I saw that one. I think that one was overnight. Mission 1, I know for a fact, did not have 75. So it would have had to been one at like, it would have had to be one at like 2, 3 a.m. or something. But I'm looking at mission 4 right now. Recon has flight level winds of 59 or 60 knots. Lowest millibar 993, which is what the advisory was. 70 mile per hour winds, 993.
Wonder if
Do
it means
they
75 mile per hour winds.
Yeah, it is at 75 mile per hour winds now.
I know.
Yeah,
I'm
from the
thinking,
5 o'clock advisor. I just had to recheck that.
Okay. I was wondering if he's meaning miles per hour. But he kept saying knots.
Big difference. Huge difference.
Very big difference.
That's like, that could be a 20 mile per hour gap right there difference.
All right.
Well, depending on exactly what knots. If it's 75 knots, that's 10, 11 miles per hour more. 75 knots is 86 miles per hour. But then if you do like 120 knots, that's almost 20 miles per hour more. So 120 knots is almost 140. So the higher knots you go, the crazier the spread's going to get for the miles per hour.
Yeah.
Carson, if you saw it earlier, then they would have went. Wait, so you're telling me you said before they upgraded it. So you mean to me they saw an 80 mile per hour wind gust there because conversion, 86 miles per hour for the knot conversion, -6 because it's flight level, not what they actually do. So 75, 80 mile per hour winds, and you're telling me they kept it a tropical storm? Like, that doesn't make sense. If they found 75 knot wind speeds, they would have instantly upgraded that sucker to a hurricane.
Instantly, yeah.
That was upgraded to a hurricane, okay, but then it
At
was
11 a.m.
It was 15 miles per hour lower. 75 knots, that's 80 to 85 miles per hour when you convert it. And they went with 70.
Yeah.
75 knots is not 75 miles per hour for surface. No.
No, not at all. I had to break that.
Because what was it? I have to go to my stream yesterday, but they it was only 5 miles per hour lower yesterday from the flight level winds to the surface.
Yeah.
It's got a comment on my video. No, it's not rapidly intensifying. Oh, why? Thank you.
Why? Thank you.
I'm glad somebody who's never been interested in weather just told me what the hurricane's doing.
You know, we're talking about it right now, and we're literally watching it rapidly intensify.
We're getting
in front of
rapidly intensifying
because there's people in the storm right now watching it doing it.
I have to see that Recon. I want to see that Recon pass. Let me go to it. Yeah, so yesterday they found flight level winds of about 42 knots.
Is there any cams on
42
those islands?
knots. So
Any
that was
cameras
almost
on the
50
islands?
miles per hour. There's no islands out here in the Lesser
That's
Antilles,
what.
yeah.
Uh,
I want to see what they went for at the 8 p.m. update yesterday.
Carson saying TRG it has a mission 4 look at cyclonic weather X and 75 knot flight level around 12Z and a 65 isn't SF and more like surface.
Yeah.
So that's what he said. That for mission 4 12Z 75 knots apparently. I'm gonna let you do that, and we're just gonna take a look at more.
Yeah, in that case,
again.
75 knots was 75 miles per hour. So that's 12Z. Yeah, but they still went lower on that. So you said mission 4. Let's see. I don't know. But that's what made them upgrade to 70 mile per hour winds and 993 millibar. But from what I'm seeing, I have the direct data, like the millibar to millibar data on this website. And its maxed is 5960 knots. So I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know. Well, just gotta wait and see because TJ aren't they about to like get out of the storm, then just turn the ride back into it and go to the
It'll take them a
northeasters?
hot minute.
Like,
It will take them a hot minute. A good 30, 40 minutes.
I mean, we just passed an hour right now as we speak. Thank you to whoever subscribed. I really appreciate it, by the way. I did see that. But yeah, we'll probably be here for it.
Yeah, but see, Justin, then what you're saying doesn't make sense because if they did find 75 knots in at the 12Z with 12Z Recon, then why did they upgrade it to 70 miles per hour, not 75? I guess this is just the National Hurricane Center not being consistent, and it confuses me to death.
Yeah, I
Like,
mean that is so true.
How can 75 miles per hour surface winds be equivalent to 70 mile per hour surface winds? And then when they find 70 mile per hour flight level winds, all of a sudden now they upgrade it to 75 mile per hour surface winds. Like,
Yeah.
it makes no clue. It just doesn't. Oh man, it's like the National Weather Service and their tornado warnings. PDS tornado warning for no rotation and unwarned tornadoes.
No,
And now
PS
for
for tornado was
hurricanes, we have
underground.
the same exact miles per hour is actually 5 miles per hour less at this advisory, but 5 miles per hour more on another advisory. Like, dude, make up your mind.
Caleb said tier G. It was between 8 and 11, and it was upgraded to 75 996. It's been a hurricane since 11. There's nothing confusing. I think he
Wait.
knows
You just said it got upgraded to 75 miles per hour
this morning.
between 8 and 11. Wait, what? When did it get upgraded?
This morning, he's
It's
saying.
been hurricane at 11 a.m.
I'm guessing he meant like, okay, at 11.
And it got upgraded to a category 1 at 11. Gotcha. But I still don't.
Okay,
don't see
wait.
speeds.
Wait, was mission 4 today?
Yeah, this morning.
Okay, that's what he's saying. They say they found 75 knots, which is why they went up to a hurricane this morning at 11. That's like right after that's after 12Z. Is that not what you're saying, Carson? Just correct me, because
But still at
that make
mission
it makes
4,
sense now.
I don't see that with the graph, but I
Yeah,
suppose so.
yeah, Sam, and yes, Catman, I am okay. Okay, I was right. I was right. I don't know. We made that so much more confusing than it had to
We
be.
did. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie. It confused me to death.
This
Oh
is
man, Carson, you just explained it terribly to us. All right, no mistake on the NHC's part. Carson is just a terrible explainer. No mistake on the NHC. I apologize for shaming the NHC. They're perfect.
I want to say perfect now.
This is on Carson. Host of her. What?
Yeah, Sam. Yes, we did just see that it went to 983. We did just see that, and now they're probably gonna get right after,
Oh
right out
man,
of
so
those.
Justin was right too. I apologize, y'all.
Huh?
Justin was right too.
Wait. Oh yeah,
Man,
yeah.
we need to ban Carson for his misinterpretation.
Time out for two
Because then,
seconds.
then he made me misinterpret it to you. Oh
Right?
man. This is the first hurricane of the season, so I'm getting used to this hurricane data again.
You said,
It takes me
whoa,
a while.
Catman, what do you want? 250 with 850 millibar. Uh,
Dang.
you okay, bud?
Yep, we'll be upgraded to category 6 here in next advisory.
Oh my, that was the
Just
easiest.
like that crazy TikTok lady said the other year. I don't think Lucky remembers that.
Oh yeah, 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 yeah.
uh, man.
But yeah, that's crazy. Oh man.
Let's see if they find anything crazier. So the wind speeds, from what Carson has explained to us over the last hour and a half, haven't even been live that long, but it sure felt like it because he couldn't explain it correctly. The wind speeds are not stronger, but the pressure is like 9, maybe even 10 millibars lower.
Huh?
That's they've got to find higher wind speeds then, because there ain't no way the wind speeds got weaker with a 10 millibar drop.
That's impossible. Well, he did say that was on the northeastern side. I remember him saying that at
True.
the beginning. At the beginning, he said that was the northeastern side.
So Justin, you think the northeast side of the system's stronger
Oh, I think
or the
so.
northwest?
Wait,
Who's
actually, wait.
mowing the grass right now, bro?
Because
Somebody's always mowing grass when I'm streaming with you.
or you streaming. Oh well, yeah. If
Yeah,
you
they went
look,
through the northwest side, didn't they?
yeah, 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 yeah. And that you can see the pink the cloud tops. I can hear the lawnmower. I can hear it. Stream can also hear it. Hey, Teacher, go tell him to wait till like 7. But yeah. So I mean, you can see y'all that it's starting to like fully like wrap around, and we're starting to get those cloud tops to the negative 90s Celsius on the right now. It's on the southeastern side. Uh, I don't wanna put money on it, but I'd probably put money on it that is also gonna expand to the northeast with all that. So, but let's see, let's see. Yeah, we're gonna see what they do now. This thing should update any second now. It's probably gonna update any minute now, actually. Thank you, Erin, for getting this guy out of bed. That's funny. That's funny. That's funny. Yeah, y'all got jokes today, don't y'all? Y'all got jokes. Oh man. All right, let's. You could tell they both just woke up. They won't listen to me.
Bro, Carson, drop it. It was a misunderstanding. Move on.
Yeah. The joke was in my head. The minute I seen you in my recommended. Nah, that's crazy. You're like, oh, well, Lucky's up. Yeah, I think this thing. I think they might go. They're probably gonna go 983. They're probably gonna go 983 next update because they still got a whole nother 2 hours. And if this thing's since it's technically already rapidly intensifying, then I think they'll definitely go like 983. But we'll see. I mean, they have a whole nother 2 hours to get more information. We'll just have to see what they find. Wind speeds. It was 75 knots, 73 knots. Peak flight level winds 73 knots, which is a 84 mile an hour winds, which they're probably gonna. That was at a flight level, which they're probably gonna drop it to 80 whenever they're probably gonna do 80 for the next update, unless probably what is gonna be probably gonna be 80, unless it strengthens even more within the next 2 hours, which I would not be shocked if it does.
I would be shocked if it doesn't.
I'd be shocked if it doesn't. Yeah,
I
all
think we're
right.
gonna get how much would it? Yeah, I'd say 80 knots is reasonable. Probably with either this recon pass or the next.
80 knots would be 92 mile an hour winds.
Yeah, but then you'd
Yeah,
convert it to 80
yeah,
or 85.
probably yeah, probably 85. Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's definitely reasonable because of what they're finding already, and they're not even in the northeastern side yet. Is this thing gonna
With that
update?
sharp of a millibar drop, I say it is already at 80.
Oh yeah, no, for sure, for sure.
10 millibars in what, like
An hour.
2-3 hours?
Well,
No, that's the NHC update.
oh, okay, okay, yeah, yeah, yeah. So
You got to go from recon to recon.
okay, yeah, 3 hours. Yeah, that's crazy. Yeah, it could be Cap 4 tomorrow.
Extremely
Yeah,
late tomorrow, like
tomorrow night,
maybe,
like last
but
advisor of the day, like 11 p.m.
yeah.
That I want to say that's pushing it. Category 4.
I don't know, man.
I mean, yes,
This
it
thing
is.
could be Cat 3 in the afternoon, and then if that's the case,
Yeah,
it could be Cat 4 at 11.
yeah, it could. Yeah, that would it shock me? Uh, Yes and no. The only reason why it would shock me is because yes, that's some crazy rapid intensification. But it really wouldn't
Yeah,
shock me
that
with
is
the.
kind of wild with the environment. Like the temperatures are a little low, but you do have minimal dry air and almost no shear.
Yes, I mean, yeah, this is just going through like we're not gonna say extremely favorable. We're gonna say favorable water temps. Well, environment, favorable environment. It could be even more favorable the warmer the water gets. Is it supposed to move into even more warmer waters? That's why it's supposed to
Yeah.
rapidly intensify.
Monday, all day Sunday, it's supposed to be in the warmest waters. And Caden, yes, it is halfway outside the cone. Half of it is out, half of it is in with a low pressure. It's right on the edge. It's
And
moving more north than forecasted.
993 to 983 in a few hours. Wait, you said the last one was 3 hours ago for Recon?
I don't know exactly when they got that millibar.
You want to try and find it? We can do
Let's
some,
see.
because we can do some math here. Like simple math for sure. It's definitely simple.
The one I found was 994 at 18Z, or no, 1750Z.
1750, and right now it is 2215. So 5 hours, so 10 millibars to drop 10 millibars in 5 hours. So that's 2 millibars an hour. And the fact that it's probably starting to rapidly intensify too, it's probably up to like 3 or 4 every hour, which that's some crazy intensification.
If we just follow that, it will be like 9:55 tomorrow
Yeah,
evening, which would put it at definitely mid-tier Cat 3.
yeah, probably.
That's if it keeps it up, though. I don't know if it's going to sustain that intensification all day. If it does, then it's going to be low to mid Cat 3 tomorrow night. If it doesn't, then it could still be a Cat 2. Anything from high in Cat 2 to low in Cat 4 tomorrow just depends on how it intensifies.
Y'all think Florida will be impacted by a hurricane, Erin, since she keeps moving east? I I'd say the more east it goes, the less chance you'll have for. I mean, you might get some like. Well, it depends how far, like how big the system is. Maybe some light, like outer bands, maybe for the East Coast, like East Florida.
It's probably going to stay mainly it's just beach erosion, rip currents, and high tides with higher waves.
Yeah.
Most
So
likely, it won't affect the much of the like rain. The rain bands aren't going to make it that far.
it won't.
There's no shot they go 700 miles.
Oh yeah, dude. There's no way. That would be crazy if it did. Somehow, I just don't. That's just not possible.
Now, if the whole thing shifts west, which I'm finding less and less likely with this new northern jog, then it would be like 400 miles. But even then, that's still very far.
Yeah. And so now they just took a southern turn Recon. I wonder what. I wonder if they're gonna take a southern, then take another, go straight east, and just go through the northern slash northeastern part. I wonder if that's what they're gonna do. You think that's what they're gonna do? Because they turned now, and then probably flying for a little while, then gonna go straight to like the northern part to the northeastern.
Um, they are probably going to go from northwest to southeast. So this pass, I don't expect it to be too strong. It's going to be on the southwest quadrant of the eye.
Yeah.
They might, yeah, you know what? They might do this here. I'll draw it here. Send it in DMs, and then you can draw it out for chat. If they do that, then we could get the strongest winds. That's what they'll have to do.
All right.
So do
So
like an hourglass like that.
we're just gonna
They
say that.
might end up cutting it a bit sharper, something closer to this, because obviously the storm's going to keep moving. In between those two screenshots.
Like that, kind of like what I just drew on a stream.
Yeah. That's what they'll do on the next pass, hopefully.
Yeah.
I don't really see what else they would do unless they no, they wouldn't do that. I was gonna say unless they just go through exactly where they went, but they don't do that most of the time.
I mean, unless they went, unless they fly through the eye, the
I've seen them
low,
do it in the eye. Yeah, yep.
the
I
eye
have seen that.
going to the northeast.
I've seen them stay in the eye for a while and just keep circling inside the eye trying to find the lowest millibar. I have seen that
That's something
before.
I'd do. If I was flying a plane, I'd be like, all right, guys, we're just gonna chill in here for a little bit.
Yep, I've seen him do it.
No, that's a dream. We fly into like a hurricane with Recon. That would that's a bucket list right there. Has to be. Wouldn't you want to do that? Wait,
Do what?
uh, go with the recon people and fly with them
Yeah.
into a storm. Dude, that's whew. Well, I guarantee you. Hold up, I like doing this. Give me like 30 seconds. I like doing this. I think
Oh,
I
yep.
can.
They just updated. That's exactly what they're gonna do. What I showed you.
Really?
Yep.
Let's see.
They're gonna go a tiny bit more south, and then they're gonna cut it northeast.
Yeah, I want to see if I can find them on this flight app because I know sometimes I can.
Flight 24/7. Yeah, you can. I've
Okay,
watched them take off on that before.
because then I can tell you where they're gonna be at. I said they're probably right. Uh, that how did this thing take off from the middle of the ocean?
Took off from Barbados.
Not no. Well, this one that I found is from Noah. Okay, well I just got an ad, y'all. So hold on, I'm gonna send it to TRG. Oh, it wants me to play a stupid game on an ad. No, pass. All right. Oh, sorry, y'all. I'm trying to like see if this is the. It's definitely not the right uh
Oh
flight.
yeah, I see that.
Yeah,
Yeah,
what?
I see that.
Yeah, they took off from the middle of the ocean.
Yo.
But that's not them, is it?
Uh, no, I think that's the upper air. They should be barely southwest of that.
Yeah. So I'm guessing they're not on radar. I mean, it kind of is government, but like yet again, this is another Noah flight that's on.
Yeah, though NOAA 49, which you just looked at, they're in just barely northeast of the eye.
Okay, so yeah, yeah, so
They're
they're just
gathering
not
the
on
upper.
on the map.
They're getting the upper level data. There's a track.
Lucky, you should get sponsors. Bro, I'm too small to get sponsors, bro.
Yeah, they should be. Let's see.
Bro, once I grow, well, I'll definitely get sponsors, but that's out of the question for right now.
No, they're not on here, Lucky, because I have their location. They would
Yeah.
be barely to the southwest of that NOAA 49 aircraft.
Bro, Larry's got jokes today. He can sponsor mattresses since he sleeps on them a lot. Dude, that's just crazy. That's you got jokes today, Larry. Larry that lamb. What a wonderful username. Mattress firm is a great idea. Mattress firm is calling. Really? No one's calling my phone right now. But let's be real, the bed industry would steal to have you. Said, oop, let me take this call. So I know the 18Z GFS is rendering it right now, so why not take a look at that, right?
Oh Lord, does it have Cat 6 yet?
So right now it has.
Wait until 300 hours out. Wait.
Oh no, we're
we
gonna wait.
we gotta see what this fantasy land's gonna cook up.
Oh no,
We gotta see where it's gonna put this random system.
all right. Let's see.
It has 2 tropical storms. When is that?
So there's one, and then there's another one. Hey man, this
A
is
week from today, it has 2 tropical storms.
yeah. That's what's tomorrow?
I'm
Saturday.
pretty sure the GFS, yeah, the GFS and the GFS ensembles are the only ones that show that at the moment. Pretty sure.
This looks almost just like the same exact path so far as Erin.
Dude,
Literally,
it does.
literally the exact. It's a copy and paste. It's a copy and paste.
Oh my word. I'm gonna send you a screenshot of it.
Lucky sleeps so much he can calculate what position he was in at 3:20 a.m. Sleep number 360 would give you a free 1K mattress to be advertised on your channel. I would take that. I would take that offer, bro. I really would take that offer. All right, guys, and use code lucky15 at checkout for 15% off. But no,
Which one's Erin?
that's not true, y'all. Please don't do that. This is not advertised. All right, you said which one's Erin? Let me see.
Wait, no, look. I deleted it fast.
Okay.
All right, which one's Erin now?
Ooh, I would have to say the bottom one because it's more. Well, actually,
Dang
wait.
it, bro.
Yeah. The bottom because it has more red, and it's because that's
Yeah.
probably more present than what the top one is.
Yeah.
But hey, I mean, hey, we might have
You'd
to
be
start.
wrong.
Top one's Erin.
Yep.
Okay, so
It's
we're
in the
talking.
same place. You know what's crazy?
What?
This is insane. It is literally to the dime from 06Z today to 06Z next Friday. It's almost in the same area this, 06Z this morning for next week at 06Z Friday.
That's crazy. Hey, man.
That's how close it is. Now, I can tell you this, it's not going to be the same course.
Oh, probably not. No, not at all. Because
Not with the high pressure, just to, yep, exactly.
Yep.
I don't even have to speak anymore. I'll just go on mute.
I'm gaining all my knowledge back, y'all. That's what happens when Lucky streams and chats with y'all. He gets his knowledge back.
Rare, very rare, ultra rare moment of Lucky being smart.
Lucky lives in a mansion full of mattresses. Stop lying, chat. Dude. Day in the life of Lucky would be boring. No, it wouldn't. No, it wouldn't. Paz, I don't know what you're talking about. But not, y'all, if this keeps it up, I mean, this copy and paste of Erin so far has been I mean, it's been on the mods for quite a bit. Am I right? 18Z.
Yep.
12Z. Oh, and the track did not change at all. Oh wait, never mind. Wait, oh I lied. Never mind. My bad. Wait, I was on Erin. My bad. My bad. All right. Oh, the 12Z was a lot more south, and 06Z was a lot more behind, like a lot more slower. 00Z was a lot even more slower. So yeah, it's been on the models for the past 4 runs. So I mean, or probably even longer. Let's see. 18Z yesterday. Yep. Yes and no. Yeah, it's been pretty consistent, y'all. I don't know. We're gonna have to keep an eye on that.
Look at it already.
What?
This is what, 7 days out.
Wait, what? Did you send to me?
Nah, it's literally on your map at the bottom of the screen. I
Oh.
can see it right now.
Well, 7 days from now it would be 144 hours, so that would be this. Right? 144
Yep.
hours is 7 days, right? Okay.
Wait, no, 180.
180? Is it?
I'm pretty sure, right? It's like right around 180.
7 times 24.
168.
168. All right, so we got right here. So a week from today, it looks like we have 2 systems we need to watch. Hey man, chat, maybe a quick little video on this. Did you start your drink, TRG?
Yep. Yeah, I'll be right back.
No! 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 That did not just happen. That did not just happen. I did not just hear that. No! No! That did. Oh, I'm crying. Oh, I'm
Chat, it's
crying.
fine. The keyboard's okay. The keyboard's okay. I'm glad I was aiming at the correct monitor, dude. That could have gone right to my computer. Keyboard $20, computer 2,000.
Oh, I'm crying.
Keyboard's fine, thank goodness.
I'm crying.
I'm glad I was aiming towards my monitor. Dude, you gotta quit with the jokes, man. You almost just costed me $20.
Oh man. Yo, that would have been the first time I cost you $20 without me being there.
You almost broke something without even being here.
Yeah, wow. Okay, bud. All right, Carson, what? Swallow your drink first, bud. You swallow it?
Bro. Yep, I did.
Okay.
Actually, no, I took a sip of water again.
All right, Carson. So what I said was about these two possible systems coming up in a week. I said maybe a possible video. This dude spit out his water onto his monitor because of how much he thought that was a joke. Like you should do sleep streams. Yo, that's like the 5th person that's told me I should do a sleep stream. That's like the 5th person that's told me.
You can literally go here. I just went back on stream. It's 2 minutes ago.
2 minutes ago. Hold on. Let me go to stream. Let me go to stream. Okay. He says, hold on. Wait,
you can literally hear. You can hear me put my bottle cap back on, and then you hear me go. You hear me go.
Hold on.
Oh, man,
Hold on.
that's
Wait.
insane.
Right? Wait. You gotta be quiet. 4 hours is 7 days, right? Okay.
I'm pretty.
All right. So we got 2 systems. Video on this. Watch. Hey man. Chat. Maybe a quick little video on this. this dude, I swear, this dude's got jokes. Someone's got to clip it. Someone please clip it. Catman, are you still here? Clip it. Yeah, you're literally, I hired you. You're my clip person. Lucky's personal clipper. Catman. But no,
my bottle of water is very loud.
I'm serious,
bro.
I'm serious, dude. I will. It may not be the longest one, but you gotta go back 3 minutes to when
like 2.5 minutes to where Lucky said he's gonna make a video and I spit out my water.
Yes. But no, I'm being serious. I might actually. But it would
here comes Mo again.
It would have to be Sunday. I work tomorrow from 11 to 5. Unless I can get a video out. Oh, wait a minute. Tomorrow I have to work before NASCAR. Might be able. We'll see, y'all. Just keep a lookout. Keep a lookout, guys. That's all I'll say. We're gonna go until 7 though, because we just missed my second ending point. But you know what? It's fine. I don't even care. I'm enjoying being here right now. I really enjoy being here. All right, let's see. Who do you work for? Mattresses testing. Okay. Oh, already 9:59 for that one. Dang. Mucho crazy, my friend. Did you say Lucky moved his setup to his bed? He's tucked in right now doing stream. Not fun fact, y'all. I think my first ever video I think I made that in bed. I think. Actually, no, I know I edited it in bed. I don't know if I recorded it in bed. But I know I edited it in bed. Lucky's actually already asleep. He is sleep streaming, right? Totally. Yo, I'm gonna make some merch with bro. I'm gonna have to make some merch with me. Something about me sleeping, bro. I'm gonna have to, cause that's iconic. Cause I'm known for sleeping, I guess. So that would look be some nice merch. Let's be honest, y'all. I could cook up some shirts.
Remember the hailstorm thing we talked about with the pillow?
Oh yeah. What did I say? I said
I said imagine 3-inch hail, and you said yeah, I'd have to bring a pillow. And then I said yeah, because you'd use it to sleep.
No, That's clipped somewhere, isn't it? That is
Yeah, it
clipped.
is. It
Where is it
is.
at? Is it in that group chat?
Because you were referring to the pillow as protection from hailstones. That was
Lucky, you should have
crazy.
a stream where you do stuff like make merch. Man, that's gonna be behind the scenes. This is just Lucky
I
Sleep
had like
talking
a
right now.
hour or 2 hour live stream of me making an overlay.
I mean, I could. Lucky slept through puberty. That's probably one of the most wildest ones I've seen. That was that slept for what? A couple of years straight, right? That is crazy. That is wild. That's a couple of years of sleep just nonstop. TRG, did you give Lucky his mod back? Yes.
I never took it away.
Yes, you did. Yes, you did. Because I called you as soon as I typed the message and you answered. I said, give me my mod back right now. And then I got it back. Lucky invented sleeping. Oh, wait, hold on. Who invented sleeping? Oh, wait, no. Who invented beds? Lucky. Oh, no, I'm kidding. The ancient Egyptians. Some history for you. Fun fact. The ancient Egyptians invented the bed. Dude, I would not want to sleep on the first ever bed made. That thing was probably so uncomfortable. Probably made out of bricks. Lucky rubbing his feet.
Yes, Sam. Yes, he does.
Wonder if Lucky has lower knowledge than Caleb when it comes to weather. That's so cap. You put me and Caleb to a weather test right now, I'd pass.
Bet I'm making it right now.
I bet. How are we? I do
I'm
it.
just kidding.
Do it.
I know how to do it. I could do it.
All right, bet. Do it.
I've
And
done it
then
for YouTube mods and staff and stuff like that. Here comes the
yo,
mower again.
yo, there's still mowing out there. Let's do Kahoot. Oh, Tier G, that's something we could do for that game night. Yo, that would be fun, actually. Hold on. That'd be nice. Hold on. Wait. Hey, chat, should we do that? Uh,
Yeah, I don't know when we're doing that stream.
it'll be soon. Trust. Run that 1v1 test now. Where's Caleb at? If you get Caleb in here, I'll probably do it. YouTuber boxing event. Pass. I promise you, if you summon Caleb right now, I'm going to lose it. What is under if a mattress? A, cotton. B, lucky. C, antibiotics. D, hurricanes. Dude, what? Y'all are crazy, bro. Y'all are crazy. But it's cool though. It's cool. It's cool. It's cool. Let's get an update on Recon. All right. So what's happening right now? They got that right now. D. That's the answer choice. This stream has gone off the rails. Yeah, you're right. You're right. But that's how you know we're close to ending. But I'm just trying to see what this system does, and I think we'll probably call it quits anyways. So I do gotta go somewhere. And no, it's not to bed, y'all. Don't even say, I know y'all gonna say y'all time. You gotta go to bed. Lucky, don't you? No. I actually have to leave the house. Stop lying. Okay. This isn't the real Lucky. He wouldn't admit to that. This is the real Lucky. What you talking about? I can I can try. Yeah, I'll try. I'll do it. Why not? Why not, y'all? All right, let's see. All right, let's do this. Let's do this. Oh, now this thing, now this system has it going for like next, not next week, but like well, no, yeah, no, not this upcoming Monday, but the next Monday. The system has it going through Turks and Caicos as a 948. That is pretty impressive. Yeah, yeah, just an update right now. We do have a good amount of severe storms right now. Let me just pull this up real quick. I know it's not about severe weather, but it's still weather. We're gonna Yes, I know my radar omega is nasty. I know. Okay. But tour possible severe for Iowa, for Cedar Rapids, Iowa's, well, just north of Iowa City. Um be weather aware just in case if anything, forms, but definitely some gusty winds are possible. And yeah, we got a couple of severes in Wisconsin too, and also Minnesota. It's on the border, but oh, what is thing? Let's see. Or possible too. So yeah, we'll have to keep an eye on this. What is it today? Is it a it's a 2%? Is it a pretty big 2% for for Minnesota, Iowa, and parts of southwestern Wisconsin? Yeah, yeah, Minnesota, Iowa, Wisconsin, 2% today. So to be weather aware on that. Um, Lucky wouldn't know what an MCS is. All right, bud. Now y'all are just questioning my intelligence. That's so rude. Mes- Bro, mesoscale convective system. Obviously, it's it's literally a cluster of dinosaurs that can have a chance of producing
So how
like
basic am
spin
I
up.
making this thing?
Wait,
I've already started. I got the title and a few other things. How basic am I making it?
I don't know. Ask chat. Chat. How basic is he making
On
it?
a scale of 1 to
One,
5.
one being.
5 being you're a meteorologist for 50 years.
All right. What in one? Three.
1 is you just looked at your weather app yesterday.
All right. Three. Three. Everyone's saying three. Carson said five.
3, okay, that's a bit on the advanced side.
Is it a Kahoot? Because if so, I will do it on stream right now.
No, no.
What is it?
You're gonna have to see when you take it.
Is bro about to give me a test like he's my teacher?
Yes.
Are you gonna email me the paper?
Yes.
All right, and I'm gonna use it to print. upstairs, and y'all go watch me take my
Yup,
test.
100%, totally.
All right, let's see. Taz, what'd you do? Chat, what did Pez do? Oh wait, hold up. I forgot I'm the owner of this channel. I can just click on the message. Okay, Pez. That's crazy. I'm not even gonna say that. You know, Legacy, what's up? Yo, Larry's got jokes today, bro. Hey guys, also if you haven't already, make sure you hit the like button. It helps support the channel. If you haven't already, also hit the subscribe button too. It helps support the channel, helps get the also helps push us out there. And if you want, share the stream with your friends and family. Let's help get the word out to people. Let's let them know what weather's coming their way. To give them more updates on Erin and future tropical systems and severe weather. I wouldn't be surprised if it's 979 or 980 next center pass. I hope it's 967. Dude. I don't think it's gonna get that low. There's just no way. Is the plane going home? I don't know. I think it's gonna just take a sharp left. Next pass through, the longer it takes. Right now, I think it's gonna be 979. Maybe. Refresh. I did. It's not working.
What'd you break?
They're telling me it's a refresh, cyclonic, but it hasn't updated yet. I think it's gonna be 979 next pass through TRG. What do you think?
979? Oof.
Holy moly! Ryan
What?
Priest just got pole.
Oh.
Wow.
That is the last thing I expected you to say.
Wait, then what did Brad get? Hold on. 6th. Chase got 5th.
No.
Dude. Blaney got okay.
Stop.
Top five is Ryan Priest, Tyler Reddick, Dingle Dingle, and Danny Hamlin and Chase. Top 10 would be Brad, Bubba.
Crap. Denny's gonna steal it.
Christopher Bell,
Calling it right now, y'all.
Bowman, Michael McDowell. Where did Kyle Busch qualify? 28th. Wow. Kyle Larson, 30th place. Oh, Corey Himes racing for the Cup Series tomorrow. He qualified 32nd. Nemechek, ooh. Yikes. 34th. Guess we got last. Joey Logano.
Dude.
All right. Nah, this is going to be a good race tomorrow. Nah, that's crazy. Blaney got 20th. All right, let's see. Oh, there they go. They're going right back into the storm. Here we go, guys. They're probably gonna go through the. Oh, they might make it through to the northeastern. Here's your key tell if they're gonna go to the northeastern. I will. For this track.
Let me check. 1,000,000,000%.
986. Why does it say 986?
That was a drop zone.
Oh, so I'll say it's still 983 that we got, right?
I would round it to 984.
All right, 984.
And then the drop zone saying 986, they would go either 984 or 985.
Probably.
That's if they did an advisory like, in 13 minutes, but we're going to get more passes that might be a little lower.
You think they're gonna go through the I again, then to the northeastern?
Yeah.
Okay. So we'll probably be live. Yeah, so we'll see. We'll see what they do. And then probably after they go to the northeastern side, then we'll probably end. I do got places to go, y'all. Not bed. Don't say bed. If you say bed, you're getting put in timeout. Larry, don't do it. Larry, don't do it. Has said bad. What happened? His match. That is not the word bed. So I'll let that slide. Our predictions: 79 flight level, 982 millibar. I think it might be like 79 not and I think it's gonna be 980. 980. For northeastern Iowa. I'm talking about for the I. For I think it might be 980. We'll just have to wait and see. We're gonna have to wait and see. It's gonna be at least another 15 minutes or 20 minutes actually. 30 maybe. Uh we'll see. We'll see. Like I said, y'all, I do appreciate y'all tuning in today. It really does mean a lot. I mean that. All right. Storm in Wisconsin. So 90 at flight and so 85 at surface. That's probably what it's gonna be. Next update. 85. It's probably gonna be 85. I'm gonna guess 980. That's what I'm gonna guess. All right, let's see. Let's do this. Give me 1 minute, y'all.
Lucky.
Yo,
You think you could get this right and don't say, just say yes or no.
let's see. That's hard. Hold on.
Am I making it too hard?
It's a little too hard. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, I could. Yes, I could.
All right, just making sure. Oh, hi, Legacy. I'm making a weather test because why not?
Because I think that Caleb's smarter than me.
The thing is, I'm not 100% sure of what to put on here. I don't know how crazy to go. I'll just do basic stuff. Try to confuse Lucky.
Okay. All right. Bet. There we go. Let me just text you what I just did. All right. There you go. So I just got that. This is great. Great news. Great news. I don't even know if bro's here. Oh, no, oh yeah, he's definitely here. He's probably making the test. I'm assuming. All right, y'all. So we're just gonna sit here. I'll chat with y'all. We'll wait and see what Recon does and what what they find. 90 at the surface. Probably need about 95 or probably about maybe 85 knots, 90 knots, if I'm not mistaken. All right, 85 knots. We need about 83 knots for flight level for 93, or which it would probably get pushed down to 90 at surface. So if we want 90 at the surface, we're gonna need to see probably 83 knots or above. Probably 82 and above, honestly. All right, let's see. That was crazy, Tier G. What I just sent you. I freaked out. 115 knots to MPH would be 132. So they'll probably go to 125 or 130 maybe. Depends. Let's see. All right. Well, yeah. Let's see what we're doing. What we're doing. Let's see. We got to update. Gaming stream. It's Friday night. Um, I will not be home tonight. Like after I end stream, I am going to my grandma's house. That's where I'm going, y'all. Yes.
Lucky, how do you abbreviate, etc.?
ETC.
Say that one more time.
ETC.
Thank you. I just wanted to make sure.
Yeah. But no, gaming stream probably is gonna be about I don't know, Sunday. Gonna do gaming stream Sunday, TRG, if you're available. 'Cause I mean, NASCAR's not going on a Sunday.
I'll probably have to stream,
You're
so
right.
I
You're
can't
right.
I can't guarantee.
Yeah, you're right. I do work tomorrow, and like I said, y'all, if I can, I'm gonna try. It just depends on how work goes and like when I get off. I might try. Like, I'm not gonna promise y'all, but I'm gonna try and just get maybe it might be like a short, like 6 7 minute video out, and we'll talk about Aaron. We'll talk about if those if that this thing is still on the models by tomorrow afternoon, then we'll uh KRG, uh
Yep.
that thing that we just saw, um Georgia landfall as a 956 or 946.
I said South Carolina. Oh my word. I was so close. Do you remember that at the beginning of the stream?
Yep.
We were looking at it and it made landfall in Mississippi on the 12Z, and then I said South Carolina.
You were close.
Wow.
I mean we get impacted by it, so let's see. Maybe tropical storm force winds possible. Well, that's in South Carolina for sure. It just goes straight. It doesn't even turn. It just goes straight. So also there's no high pressure, no nothing steering it. It's just going. It ends up in Tennessee. I'm sure there's gonna be a trough that's gonna come later on and just swoop it right out to sea. Yes, yes, legacy. Now, TRG, would you go to Georgia for a Cat 3? I
Yeah, probably.
uh,
What millibar are we talking?
946 to 950.
Ooh,
Right when it touches land, it gets to a 956.
I say I probably would.
I want to, but Georgia? No, what? No, no. We're basically going to Florida. Like, let's say this is where it's gonna make landfall at. We would have to go to like the border. We would go to We're gonna get direction real quick, y'all. We're gonna have to go to
Probably near Savannah.
Savannah. Yeah, Savannah.
That's like 6 hours from me.
Let's see. Let's go to this. Go to this.
Honestly, not bad, bro. I think I would.
Let's see. For me, it is 5 hours and 10 minutes, and that avoids tolls. Oh, yo! By the way, make sure y'all pay attention to y'all's maps whenever y'all are driving, chasing, doing whatever. Because on the way to a storm chase and back, I apparently went through 15 tolls. I didn't mean to. I got it in the mail. So yeah, just watch out because I didn't even know I went on the toll roads. Yeah, actually, I think I have it right here. I can tell you how many exactly. Hold on, let me find the paper. Like, right here. All right, right. All right. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Actually, I kind of want to see. Hold on. How much? Well, this was about maybe a month ago. I still haven't paid it yet. I need to pay it like probably like next week. So apparently last month it was about I don't know. Let's see what this thing says. I mean I'm not stressing because it's nothing crazy expensive. It was a $18. It's not bad at all. I think now it's at like 24, 25, I think, probably.
How many questions am I doing for this thing?
How many do you have right now?
3.
Dude, 25. I'm kidding.
Okay.
10, 10,
No, I could I could do
20,
25.
20, 20, 20, 20.
Okay.
Carson said 40.
Yeah,
That's
I'm
a
gonna go
lot.
to North Carolina and get your help, bud. You do have, I do have. I'll be down there in a couple minutes. That'll
What?
be like an hour and a half. What?
Couple minutes
Yeah, a couple minutes.
to get to North
Only
Carolina?
yeah, only like 90 minutes, bro.
Yo, so we might take a quick little weekend trip to Savannah, Georgia. Well, that's if that happens. This is 288 hours out. But you never know. We're gonna
That's
keep
crazy that bro's pretending like he's planning it and it's 288 hours out.
we're gonna take a road trip somewhere. Anywhere from North Carolina coast to I don't want to say but Georgia coast. A long drive. That would be a long drive. Holy. All right, y'all. Let's see. Let's see what this Oh wait, let's see. Dude, I forgot. Dude, look at that. That is like that is insane. Wow. TRG with the way the icon has it, the 18Z icon. I'm pretty sure the East Coast. I think Carolina would get a almost tropical storm force winds.
Wow.
Look at that. Look if you look at my stream. Look how
I
big it is.
see it. We already went over it, bud.
That's just crazy, dude. I do want to see this. Let's see if it has that thing forming in the MDR regions. Let's go to Atlantic. Uh, kinda, not really. All right, but yeah, we'll just have to wait and see, y'all. We'll see. Oh, you know what I didn't look at? The CMC. The CMC just has it going out to sea as like a 968. Oh, and here comes the CMC with another um that other tropical system. A lot more northern than than the GFS model. All right, here they go. They're about to be into the eye in about 15, 20 minutes. 15, probably 15.
No, they're in the eye right now, but we won't get another frame for like 10, 15 minutes.
You think so?
Yep.
All right. Well, we'll have to wait 10, 15 minutes, y'all.
Hmm. Yeah, they're not fully like they're going into the eye probably right now. We just haven't gotten any data on it. When was your
Oh,
last update?
last update, mine was 2254.
Oh, yeah, mine was 2304.
What? How?
I don't know. I just figured
Oh, there
yours
you
was
go.
behind.
No, there you
Yeah.
go. No, yep, I got it. Yep, yep, yep. So they're about yeah, so they're like in the eye right now. It's already in wait, 981 already. Not 981.
Oh my word.
Yeah, no, they already went to the eye. 981. 981. I was 1 millibar off. I said 980.
Wow.
Now we started going to the northeastern eye wall, and we'll see what wins we get from there. That's gonna be interesting.
That is still following Lucky's 2 millibars an hour.
That is. That is probably my 2 millibars an hour. Well, actually, Caleb, since it's not Caleb. But yeah, yeah, no, yeah, Caleb and Carson. So since it's 981.8, they're probably gonna do 982. So Carson,
It's actually 981.4.
91.4. So never mind, you'll get probably 981. My bad, guys.
Now they probably would go with 982 because it's the NHC.
Yeah. Let's see. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, Caleb. By the way, me and you were taking a test on about weather because they think that I do not know more weather than you or more stuff about weather than you. Probably after this next TRG. TRG.
Yes, sir.
Oh no, what Lexi was saying, who's giving the test? TRG is.
Oh. Yeah, it will be available for everybody, by the way, not just Lucky and Caleb.
Tests are my third worst fear. Caleb, we know. Yeah, bro. Yeah, isn't this the same dude that got a 6 on his math test?
Oh man. Wait, all I gotta do is put 2 plus 2 in there and he'll fail.
Yeah, hey, come on, do it.
Yep, I'll do it. Man, I should cook him with some geometry. Probably some
Yeah.
geometry or algebra equation for like a formula of how to solve for like CAPE or STP or
Yes.
something like that.
Yes. Yes. But to be fair, Chad, no one likes tests. Like you walk into class and you remember you have a test, and they always do it on a Friday, the best day of the week. They always do a test. And I hate it. Do it on like a Thursday or a Wednesday. Like he talking like he won't fail. I'm not gonna fail. I don't know what you're talking about. I've seen one of the questions. Trust me, if it's like that, I'm not gonna fail. About weather, bet
Um,
easy.
yeah, the next question's like a billion times harder than that.
Can you screenshot the question? Does not like the answer choices. And I'm
Um,
sure it's gonna randomize.
no, because I don't want to give you like a book to study or something over here.
Lucky, are you a senior? No, I graduated.
It is not a Kahoot. It is actually a test. It is a test.
Like, is it like a website that you can make a test
Yes,
on?
it is. It is a test.
Wait, what site?
It's like you're taking a virtual test.
What site?
I don't want to say that. You're gonna have to find out.
Can you type it in Discord for me?
Nope.
You're not gonna tell me the site for the test?
Nope. Never.
Why?
Because I can't give you any heads ups or hints. It's not fair.
It's not fair. Okay. Oh wait, so you're saying Caleb can't cheat because he's saying no. Oh, he said don't bring up last year. What happened last year? Geometry is actually easy so far. Yeah, Caleb, just wait. Just wait, Caleb. Just wait.
I hope you know I'm not putting geometry on this sucker.
Dang, I would have actually passed too.
No, you would not have. No.
Geometry?
Weather geometry stuff, Lucky.
Yes, I'd pass,
Okay.
but don't put it in there though. You said you weren't going to.
No, I'm not.
Trigonometry. Woo! This is gonna be the first test I've taken since May. Or no, June. June. Like anything like question type related, I'm since June. That's so bad. Hey, Chad, guess when I start school? Oh wait, I don't start school in August. No school for Lucky. I'm going to school next year though. Bro said, "Oh wait, you're Unc." No, I'm not. But okay.
Anybody who says that has no concept of time. Pez, one day you will be 40 years old and you will have little grandchildren or children that come running up to
Grandchildren
you and
have
say you're
40.
Aunt, bro.
Grandchildren have
Hey, you
40.
never know with Pez, bro. You never know. You never know with this
Ah,
generation, buddy.
ah,
You never know.
stop,
How old is he? Like
stop,
14 at this point? 14, 15?
stop.
You never know, bro. 16? I'm doing math. Yep, it's possible. But they'll be calling you Unc too, Pez. And it goes by so fast.
Do not. Hey, no,
Most
no.
of the like when you're living it, it feels slow. But when you realize how fast it's gone, that's when you're like, it hasn't been slow. Like you got to think back to something. For instance, like let me think. The double high risk. The double high risk was over 2 years ago. Mayfield tornado was almost 4 years ago.
Dude.
COVID started 5 to 6 years ago.
Oh man.
Now you feel
Ooh-wee.
old, and now you realize how fast time's gone by.
Do not, because dude, I already graduated 2 months ago, and it does not feel like 2 months. It felt like maybe, I don't know, 3 weeks. That's exactly how it feels. But not. Hey y'all, to be honest, this year has gone by so fast. Like I don't know why, but this
I
year.
swear it was February yesterday.
Pete,
Pete, what's up, bro? Finally, someone
Pete!
a good mod. Let's go. Oh, and
Finally.
Legacy's in here too.
Legacy's in here. Pete, guess who got pole? Guess who got pole?
I can't be mean to Legacy. Legacy's an awesome mod.
Pete, I don't know if you're gonna guess it. I don't think. No, I wish. Think of the same team. Think of the same team. How about that?
So we're not going to talk about the 81 knots from Recon?
81 knots! Oh!
Dude.
Man! 81 knots! So Recon got an extract pressure of 981.4 with 11 knots wind, which equates to a pressure of 980.3. So I was right? Yes. Ryan Priest got pole. Bro, I feel bad for Lucky's mic. Don't worry, this Mike's my best friend. My best friend. Yes, Ryan Priest got pole. Brad got sixth. Chase got fifth. Guess who got last? Joey Logano. Yeah. Let's go. But yeah. So with this being said, since we got the northeastern Iowa, so we are going to probably end in 12 minutes. We probably are. As much as I don't want to, I probably have to because I do gotta go. But I have to. I have to. I have to. What do you mean end in 12 minutes? I have to. Why? How long do y'all want me to go for? Do we think this will be Cat 3 by tomorrow? Good possibility. 12 hours. 1 a.m. Pass. Can't stream that long. Go for 30 more minutes. Another hour, dude. I don't know if I can, dude. I gotta go. You're right. Till the NHC advisor comes out. Ay. I'm going to my grandma's house. TRG is muted. TRG's locked in on that test that he's making for me and Caleb.
I am. I'm so locked in on it, bro.
How many questions do you think I'm gonna get right so far?
Out of 20, I expect 17.
Oh, so it's not. How much do you think Caleb's gonna get?
15.
Okay. Bro, imagine if Lucky was locked in like
No, I'm
TRG.
just kidding. Reversed. I
What?
don't know. I want both of you to get it. Once you both get 2020, that's perfect. That might happen.
Bro, imagine if Lucky was locked in like TRG. Lucky probably have 1,000,000 subs. That's so cap. But okay.
I could be so much more locked in, but I want a life outside of weather.
I mean, I do want to lie too, but dude, well,
I want a life too. And this guy streams like once a month, but he's been doing good for now. We'll see how long it keeps up. Rarely does it last more than 2 weeks. Rarely.
I'll give a $400 donation if you give TRG's name reveal. Well, buddy, sucks for you. I can't even get donations, so pass. And plus, I'm not gonna do bro like
And that's
that.
a cap. I wouldn't do it for any amount of money.
No, I wouldn't do it. Dude, no.
Unless I got permission
For what?
for your name.
Oh,
Like if I told you, you would have to donate it first. That's the thing.
you know,
Would not trust you unless you donated it first. I would not do it.
no, I don't have donations yet, y'all. Look, so I have the requirements to do. I just need the watch hours. I need, I think, 3,000. I think it is watch hours within the last year. And right now I am at some like I don't know 800. That's because some of my streams last year got taken off of it because it's been over a year. Erin is forming an eye. Look at satellite. All right, let's look at satellite. Yeah, it's definitely clearing up for sure. You can definitely tell. Dang, we'll probably have an eye by like I don't know 10. Probably. I need to refresh the. All right, let me see. Hold up. There you go. I got you. Yeah, no, yeah. This is definitely trying to, definitely trying to form an eye. Which one? Which one? Legacy. All right. All right. Let's see. Let's refresh. Refresh. Give me another. Oh wait, we gotta wait one more minute. Y'all didn't know. 8 o'clock. I mean, yeah, I mean, I can go till 8 o'clock. You know what? I might as well, dude. I might as well. I'll go till 8 o'clock, y'all.
I forgot this happened. I just stumbled across the craziest thing. Look at that.
Wait. Let's see. Whoa. That was
That's a tornado, not a hurricane.
wow. That is crazy.
Forgot about that, dude.
Like that's actually like unbelievable. All right. All right. Let's see what else is. Yeah, y'all. So yeah, back to that donation thing. Yeah, no, I just need the watch hours and then I'll be able to like apply to get donations. Like that's how that works. But yeah, I'm not even worried about that. We're just gonna keep streaming, streaming, keep it up. Um, yeah. The redemption warning for IO for 70 mile per hour winds. Let's take a look at that. Yep, 70 mile per hour winds. I'm sure we've probably gotten like all these other discussions probably. Huh. Interesting. All right, there you go. Oh, another one. The redemption warning
Here,
for
Lucky,
Wisconsin.
I'll give you an idea of how hard it may be,
All
real
right.
quick. Where would you chase in this photo?
Can't see the states. Okay. Wait.
Text it. Don't say it out loud.
I know.
All right, where? Like which side? And I'm not going to say if you're right or wrong at all. Got it.
All right.
You will never know.
If we have we need an NC landfall this year. If we have an NC landfall, TRG and Lucky will stream it for sure. All right, hey, let's already plan it, dude. All right, who's driving if we have an NC landfall, or
Both.
well, who's driving there?
Both.
Well, no, well, all right, okay. Who's doing the majority of the driving?
Probably you.
Okay. Me, I'll drive. Caleb, be quiet. No, we're just. Would you like more lucky weather-wise, radar scope or radar mega? Tell me one for mobile and one for. Tell me one for. Wait, tell me one for mobile and one for mobile. Well, you can never go wrong with radar scope for mobile. I'm guessing you want me to tell you one for PC. Right now, probably. I mean, radar omega has been glitchy for me. So probably weather-wise. Honestly, it's been getting pretty good lately. I think, yeah, like I said a while ago, I think they're probably going 85 next update. Caleb said a girl in my third hour asked me to drive her home, and I told her I'm scared. She said to drive. I said no, I'm scared of you. Okay, Caleb, you're overthinking on pressure. I'm thinking 982. Some bro said they said Caleb got that Riz. What? That that girl got rejected by a lightning rod. Apparently. Wow. Wow. Okay. So we've done some more Iowa for 60 mile per hour winds. Oh, it got a downgrade to 60 mile per hour winds. That's what that is.
I'm almost halfway done.
Oh, another one. We
Let's
got a
go.
so we've done some warning for Iowa for 60 mile per hour winds. Interesting. So TRG, stop being locked in on that test real quick. Where do you think they're gonna go to next? Like what way for a recon, obviously.
I was gonna say, gotta give me a little more. I'm gonna say they're gonna head south and then.
They'll get back up
Oh,
into
I
it,
don't know. Yeah, maybe.
like get out of it, then go south, like right next to it, and then maybe with like the bands. They'll, I was about to say drive through it.
Bro. I think they're gonna try to get back into it pretty quickly. I think they're gonna go. I'm gonna say south and then go back up northwest. Or they may head west and then south. I'm not too sure. There is an advisory in probably 10, 15 minutes. So I don't know if they're gonna try to get back in very quickly or if they're just gonna try to stay out and wait.
I
Because if
think
they wanna
they
get
might
back
wait,
in before the advisory, they gotta go ASAP, and they're gonna
like right
take
now.
a small left and then sharp south. If they don't, then they're gonna go south and then maybe northwest, and then they'll get back in about an hour.
Let's see if the thing's updated. Let's see if I can find them on the Flight Radar app. And no, it's still not on there. All right. Yeah, no. Yo, as soon as we get the advisory, especially if we get it before 8, we're gonna end at 8 for sure. All right. Let's see. What else we got? I mean, GFS. So. TRG actually, where the copy paste that we were talking about, that second system is actually like I'm talking like 10 miles south,
So barely south.
barely south. But it looked like from far out, it looked like identical to where it was. Frames 252 and 258 are like just glitched or something. But yep. Let's see. Bro should be a certified meteorologist. Nah, I should not. I don't know. I don't know who y'all are talking about. Another warning or something. Or possible sending my preference for Nebraska. That's South Dakota. Radar dead zone. Huge radar dead zone. I see why they did a. Yeah, I see why they did tour possible. Definitely something to keep an eye on. Interesting. Let's see. I mean, that could be a. I think you should be a certified meteorologist and storm chaser for the NWS. Lucky, Lucky would get fired. He's too lazy. Way to crush dreams, Ben. That's funny. Um, I'm not. I don't. I don't think I would ever want to work for the National Weather Service. I don't know. Seems like a lot. I think I'd rather stick to doing my own thing. All right, let's see. The problem is we give certain offices issues all the time. We do be doing that, but we need a face cam, bro. I do have a face cam, but I'm not trying to get on right now. Do we have a face cam? I don't want to put it on right now. To be honest, Let's see. Why is it only you and Ben chatting? Sean, Erin is getting stronger. Lucky, remember when you had that face came on with the duck suit on the gaming channel? Yeah. Alabama severe thunderstorm this morning. 60-mile per hour winds and penny size hail. What's happening in NC? Anything? Diddly squat doo doo mustard. Nothing happening in NC. Wow, I ate dinner and he's still here. They wanted me to go till the 8 p.m. update, so now we're just here till the 8 p.m. update. And we got it. Did we? It updated on my screen for a second.
Cap. Also, Erin has an eye now.
I know. We seen it. Yep, there it is. It's gonna be right there. Right where this dot is. Be right there. Make a couple dots. It's gonna be right, right, right there. At first. We got that low pressure off the coast. Yeah, it's right here. You can see it right here. There it is, spinning out into sea. It's a 10%. Is it? It is.
Yeah, it is.
What was that one? That one was severe thunderstorm watch, I think. I don't know. I don't know what that one was. Crew said, TRG, how are you doing on that test?
It's taken a long time.
All right, so they took a left. So they took a more west. They went west. They went from northeast to west.
Oh, so they are gonna try to get into it quickly. I bet the NHC is not gonna wait for them. Last time they tried this, the NHC didn't wait and did the advisory early.
No. But they would have to be going like right now. They would have to already been turning. Like back into the storm. You know what's about to start right now, TRG? Severe thunderstorm warning for Wisconsin. You know what's
Yay,
about to
truck
start?
race.
Yep. That thing. Yep. I think Pez does know my real name. I forgot. I think he does. But he signed a contract that he can't say it. I told him if he says it, he's banned from both me and TRG's channel for life. The red zone some warning for Nebraska. Expires in 1 minute. Apparently that was new. Bro, what is TRG's name? TRG.
I am halfway done through it, and now it's time for me to put some photographs on it. This is where me
Yeah.
and Caleb are going to be fried.
Nuh-uh.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No, I don't think so. We'll see. Bro, it makes people who know his real name sign a contract. I can't wait to get a better score than Caleb. Wait, am I supposed to like live stream it too, or like what am I doing?
You don't have to.
So how are you gonna send it to Caleb?
I can send it through chat or Roblox. This dude's only social media platform is Roblox.
So we're doing some watch for Minnesota and Wisconsin. Roblox is crazy, they said. So we're doing some watch for Wisconsin, Iowa, again. All right, y'all. Well, let's see. Go right here. Let's see. All right, we are so close to getting. Oh, we got the 18Z. Wait, we got the 18Z. No, we don't. Wait, did we? No, we don't. I thought we almost had the 18Z ensembles that we could look at. No. Lucky, what should you DoorDash? What are your options? You gotta tell me your options, and then I'll tell you. Freddy's is so good. Oh, dude, now I want Freddy's right now. Actually, I might go get Freddy's. The Red's also warning for Illinois and Iowa. Freddy's tastes like butter. Okay. Don't ever talk. Don't ever talk down on Freddy's.
Lucky, the screenshots I'm finding are insane.
The Red's also warning for Illinois and Iowa.
You gotta look at DMs, bro.
Dang! Holy! Oh, another one. So Red's also watch for Illinois. Dude, that is wow. That happened?
Maybe.
When was that?
It may or may not be photoshopped.
It looks photoshopped because they look identical. Wait, that is photoshopped. Wait, no, that is photoshopped because that looks identical. That is photoshopped because the two front ones look identical. Did you Photoshop it?
Nah.
What is this? I hope that. Oh, another one. So Rizzo's on watch for Iowa and Illinois. I don't know. It's just gonna keep coming in. Storm, what's up, man? What's up? Glad to see you in here. Glad to see everybody in here. Yeah, nope, they're not going into the eye. Not right now, at least. Let's see. All right. Chick-fil-A, McDonald's, Zaxby's, and that's literally all the good places. Do Chick-fil-A. Dude, if you don't get Chick-fil-A, come on. Get Chick-fil-A. All right, now we're just waiting for the I was just waiting on a what's it called? Update, y'all. Yes, this thing is about to start forming an eye really, really, really soon. Within the next hour, we'll probably have a pretty defined like eye. Maybe not an hour. Maybe you had Popeyes. Popeyes is not bad. It's just definitely not my preferred. Fun fact: one time me and TRD we went chasing in Western North Carolina and we stopped at a Popeyes. Like 45 minutes, right? Wasn't it? Stopped for like 45 minutes
Yeah, it
to
was a
see if
long time.
just to see something would happen. And long story short, we had to travel another 30 minutes to see it. And I do think this is gonna be 85 mile per hour update. I think. All right, who is that? Someone just subscribed to the channel. I think the Pack Brothers. If you're in here, appreciate you for subscribing. Means a lot. I just got the notification on my phone. It's gonna be 85, 982. That's exactly what it's gonna be. We're just waiting for this now. Hopefully they're not late. I hope not. Let me go ahead and mute desktop audio so I can pull up the outro music just in case. That is loud. Mm, 85, 983. Watch and learn. All right, we'll see. Green light, green flag at Richmond for trucks. Actually, I'm gonna watch this on my phone while stream is coming to an end. Obviously, I can't do audio as well, copyright reasons. $85, 982. It's out.
Yep.
Yep, 85, 982. That is. Yep, I literally just said it. I literally just said it. 85, 982.
Where's Carson? I'm banning him. Oh, there he is. Ban.
Imagine.
Very tempting. Very tempting.
All right, y'all. Well, with that being said, we are gonna come to an end in the next couple minutes. I appreciate y'all for tuning in. It really means a lot. Y'all, wow. Y'all exceeded my expectations for today's stream. Yeah, we had a good amount not even a good amount. A lot of y'all show up today. And tomorrow, so here's how it's gonna go. It's either gonna be 'cause I got work, and like to be honest, you're just gonna play games with TRG after the stream. I'm not actually. I'm actually not. But tomorrow after work, it's either gonna be a short. I'm gonna try and make it like a short video, or I'm gonna do another like. This time it'd probably be like an hour and a half briefing. That's probably what it would be because I'm not gonna lie, y'all. I'm watching that NASCAR race tomorrow with TRG at like 8
Let's
o'clock, 7:30,
go.
8 o'clock, and I'm not missing that. So I forgot TRG. You can't even watch it because it's on that channel, right?
I don't care. I'll listen to it and watch it other ways.
Okay,
Best I can.
all right. The only way you could watch it is if I call you on the phone, show you my screen the whole time while we still talking DMs. I think that's the only way. But yeah, y'all, dude, I appreciate all of y'all for tuning in today. It really means a lot, and thank you to the other people who just subscribed. I appreciate that, really do. Like I said, if you haven't already, hit the like, hit the like button, and hit the subscribe button. It really helps support the channel, and it helps push out the channel so we can let people know what weather's coming their way, and yeah. Let's see. Yeah, no, yeah. So either tomorrow is gonna be either a short video, or it's gonna be an hour and a half briefing for about Erin and maybe the other system that looks to yeah, it's on the models. It's been on the models for past couple runs, so it could be. I love Lucky's TRG. Is that wait TRG TRG? Look at chat. I don't know who. Oh, who is that? I think I think I don't know who that is, but I appreciate you, bro. I appreciate you. Um, but yeah, is it? It's gotta be right. Bro said boo, stay live till the next update. So 11? No, that's not happening. Um, yeah, y'all. If you guys enjoy, please like and subscribe. Turn the post notification bell on so you do get notified when I do go live or make a video. Um, yeah, I love every single one of y'all. Um, yeah. We'll be back tomorrow with something with something. But until then, y'all, hope you guys have a great night. Y'all stay safe. Don't do anything I wouldn't do. Which I mean, it really doesn't say too much. But
Bye.
all right, TRG, thank you for tuning in. I really appreciate it. And
You're welcome. You cut out.
oh, I said I appreciate you for tuning in. Really means a lot. And yeah. All right, y'all. I love y'all. I will see y'all tomorrow with either a video or a live stream. Goodbye. Love y'all. Thank y'all for tuning in. I will see y'all tomorrow. Most likely. Goodbye.